The Mini-14 was designed to be a ruggedly reliable rifle. The newly retooled Ranch rifle delivers greater accuracy with simplicity of design. To keep your rifle running from sunup to sundown, we're going to show you how to properly disassemble your Mini-14 that you may better inspect and maintain your gun. Keeping things simple, the only tool you will need to do the job is a drift punch. Work from a large flat surface. We recommend wearing eye protection anytime you work on a firearm. Okay, let's get started. Anytime you pick up a gun, you always want to make sure it's unloaded. Keep it pointed in a safe direction and keep your finger off the trigger. Move the safety to the on position and remove the magazine. Pull the slide fully to the rear and lock it open, and visibly check the chamber and the magazine. Now release the slide. Note that the hammer must be cocked and the safety in the on position in order to disassemble and reassemble your rifle. It's a good idea to periodically clean and inspect your magazines as well. Check out the Ruger Tech Tip video on how to do so. Place the gun upside down and pry out the rear of the trigger guard with a drift punch. Remove the trigger guard housing, being careful not to damage the stock. Remove the barrel receiver assembly from the stock by lifting the rear of the assembly out of the stock and then pulling the stock away from the gas block. Grasp the guide rod and recoil spring and move it forward to slightly compress the recoil spring and to disengage it from the receiver. Then lift the guide rod and recoil spring and remove them by pulling rearward. Pull the slide handle to the rear and align the locking projection on the slide with the disassembly notch on the receiver, pulling the locking projection through the disassembly notch and rotate the slide upward and out of the receiver. The bolt lock cover plate can be removed by pushing downward with the drift punch on the triangle. Depress the bolt lock plunger, which will allow you to lift out the bolt stop. Grasping the bolt roller, pull the bolt forward, stopping half an inch from the barrel. Lift the front of the bolt at an angle until the left recoil lug clears the receiver. Then pull the bolt forward, rotating it clockwise. Snap off the handguard. This is as far as you need to go to disassemble your Mini-14 for routine cleaning and maintenance. We don't advise that you remove the gas block assembly because it's factory fitted using special fixtures and torque tools. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.